I'm going to open a jumbo coin pack right now. See what I get. Thousand. Already had 94,000 right there. 1,000. Contract. 500. Contract. 500. 500. 750. Yeah, that's not a really good one compared to my last one. I got 28,000 on my last one, but still. I'm gonna go take these contracts to my current roster. Quick sell all these. It only comes at the 3,250. Depends. Sometimes they're better, sometimes they're not. But better luck next time. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to me and follow me on Twitter. See you.